Good morning, good morning, kings and queen. Welcome back to a new vlog. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Vibes 39 TV, uploading this video from St. Andrew, Jamaica. Yes, I surely glad and appreciate each and every one of you joining and watching the videos them, watching the ads them, watching the and keep motivate each other and motivate me in the comment as well, you know. Yeah man, warm welcome to the channel. Over this channel we bring you a lot of variety of content, you know. Yeah man, and today you see me in working clothes. You know what we up to? Yeah, we out here putting in some work so we can be able to save and buy some furniture for the house, you know. Yeah man, so just watch the video to the very end. Watch the ads them, that's how we make a revenue. Share, road to 10k subscriber. We know it can happen by the end of this year, you know. Warm welcome here to the kings and queen. We're gonna pick some more coffee, you know. Day 3, picking the ripe Blue Mountain coffee. Although in a St. Andrew with it, but with base near to this same way. Yeah man, that is it. I'm sure no what go on. Yeah man, and this tree pick off already, you know. And yes, so some green coffee there. Them here is the green one. Them are ready for pick yet, as you can see. Yeah man, so stay tuned, watch what go on until we're ready for head in at the farm and pick some coffee, you know. Yeah man, we're there out here, so I get ready. And if we get ready to go do some work. So I go on a peeps to a nice lovely avocado pear, you know. Yeah man, them two are ripe, you know. You can see a really thick pear. Can you see that? Yes man, yes, so we have piece of cane, see them way. Wagwan Walter's Adventure. There, we're there, you know? Yeah man, that is it. Them are wait for you upload the content, see them way, you know?
Soon, man.
Alright then, that is it. So people want to check him out, see him, go over and channel, go subscribe. Yeah man, so we have peer all about funny ends. That is it. Yeah, we peeps. Farm fruitful, you know. Yeah man, the whole of yes, so we have to pick ground, so kings and queen. Yeah man. All the way you can see with the eye going down is coffee. And in between the boss plant cane and planting and banana. Same way. Yeah man, that is it. So just go and stick and stay until we're ready for go in our farm. We'll pick some coffee, you know. That is it, yes I. No joke. This ain't no chicken or pork. Yeah man, big up each and everyone around the world. Grateful and thankful, you know. Just stay tuned until we're ready. Yes, peeps. Sure how we line up we go on it, you know. You have one bucket we tie it around the waist like this. Yeah, we tie it around the waist like this, and then we get to a bag, shove in your pocket or in your back in the car. See how way. Just like that, toe back. Yeah man, ready, we're ready. Ready, we're ready, you know?
That's what I'm about.
Ready, you're ready too. Oh, I want to run up a Guinea. You see that? Fruits all about people.
So up a mouth, you know? Yeah man. See how them Guinea are big?
That is it.
Mm-hmm.
Juice.
Mm.
You have your bag already?
Yeah, man.
I want to pour it.
Take the next one. Take one, look one.
When I'm ready. No, I think this one. Put it back there.
I used to them all, Mr. Okay.
Right in a pour it off while you're ready.
Doctor told me to believe. That's why I don't go off, you know?
Yeah, start back from down there, pick from yourself, go down. You the back of the board them, sir? I go. Look, just look at the part. No, no, go by the front, there, sir. Now go by the front part.
Oh. You're not good on it better.
Yo, peeps. We're going down the hill now, huh? Yeah, man. Yeah, bite, man. I like save a tree a little bit dark. Dong look muna na sa mga. Não deu uma banha sa Yeah, right, that's how we reach wide. So we are watching, we now group. We are picking each other. Anyway, they go straight up. with that part of then we go cross to over, so yeah. Bags! Oh. Right, that's how we reach. As I pick out this and turn in a big piece or what's up. Rain, people, rain. Rain the panel on, rain. Yeah, people, rain come down and now, so we just say we are close off work now, you know. Satisfied with what we get and just call it a day. Yeah, man, so just stay tuned until then, you know, so go on. That is it. We there here a piece of cake.
I want Johnny to walk with the fork. After Johnny,
Sugar cream. Yeah, man. Yeah. This what I got in the bucket, huh?
A nice tree.
Well,
I don't mind the one for a week, you will not go in there. I'm telling you, control him. Control him there every day. The control him around here. You get to the
Look, let's see him there.
show my one I work it and show you. You make it. Quarter back there of this thing. That's what I see. Is it? Quarter back. One more walk if you want to go out.
Put it in the back, man. Where are me? I put it in the back, man. Picking down PD, you know.
Rain out there, peeps. Rain and thunder and lightning. Yeah, peeps. Today I go get to breadfruit for bring down. See them where you can roast and boil, you know? Yes, that is it. Rain bad and with to them also. What you say about today, Biggs? What you say about today, rain bad? Yeah, bad day. Can't complain, see him, you like? Your phone are talking in your pocket there. Yes? I know what you're saying, God. Which one, that? I tell you. Oh, yeah, look for it's even boiled flour and breadfruit. Breadfruit in there, man. You want breadfruit too big? So a nice one, eh?
No, not for right, family. No, not for right, family either.
Roasting you want or boil?
Boiling more, family. I think I'm roasting good too.
So I'm boiling one there. You can roast one there, man. Or so one there. So you can reach it on. You always just clear the way, go where you go. Look for it.
I want to load him, look like you can't see it.
Yeah, peeps, look on this tree I'm telling you about it. Red. Red. Yeah. You know, it can't joke after, you know. I one of them you drink. The flour. salt mackerel and onion. Must get 2 tomato up the road. When you go down there, it's a good deal, you know. Go bottom of it and shove it up here. Oh, wait, stop. All of them are finding yourself roasting breadfruit, you know. You wired up too. Boil, yeah, boil them.
Alright, what is it? Yeah, but come take it now.
Go buy more, man. I find it. You find it?
Be a rain boy.
Be a rain and lightning.
Be a rain and go on. Rain.
Guinea. Guinea Kings and Queen. But go up on top of you so you will get, you know. Go up upstairs. I stand up on yourself. Yeah, that is it, Kings and Queens. So stay tuned until the next epic adventure coming, you know. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man.